Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to today's video. So it's the first trading day of June, and it is the first day of June 2020. So in this video, we are going to go over some live trading setups that might occur during the US session based off the Forex Pro dashboard. Now, I'm very sorry if you were waiting for the European video before the European session. It's been a pretty crazy day here in Thailand, and I've only got sat down to the trading screens now. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and want to stay up to date with all my latest videos, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, and let's get into today's video. So as you can see in front of me here, this is the Forex Pro dashboard that instantly analyzes the full market for us and gives us the best trading setups that could be occurring in the session ahead. Okay, that is the stochastic dashboard. Instantly, some of the ones that stand out are the Kiwi CAD and the British Pound CAD. They are above the 700 mark on the stochastic dashboard, and it's in the 530 mark. The British Pound, Japanese Yen's in the 530 mark. Here, the total, which it could approach the critical 600 level around this session. So I'm just going to go onto that chart now and see if there is any possible resistance areas for this. Now, I'm just giving you a trade here because, okay, this is one of my signals for the week ahead. And as you can see, it still has a bit to go up towards, that's on the weekly charts, but on the daily level, likely today, this could pop up towards 134 or 135. It's looking like it's heading straight up towards there, so it can still pop up a little bit further. I'm not technically going to look at this trade yet. Basically, I'll allow this to come up closer on the RSA dashboard. Okay, and I think when that goes red around the 135 mark, it will be a fantastic selling opportunity. Okay, nothing really on the buy side at the bottom here. I'll look at a couple of these trades on the stochastic dashboard, see if anything's lining up, okay, with a support or resistance. Okay, so instantly you look at the CAD, the Kiwi CAD here, okay. So yeah, this could be a nice trade for the session ahead, a nice sell-off. So it could. What I'd want to see here is around this area here, I'd want to see a divergence signal happening. Now, if you want to download the free divergence indicator, you can by just in the description area of this YouTube video, there will be a link where you can actually download this indicator free. Okay, so when you're watching my daily videos, if you don't have the dashboard and you want to practice a little bit more before you actually take the leap and access the dashboard, simply download the free indicator, watch my free videos daily, and wait for the divergence signal happening on these charts. Okay, so 1 hour, 30 minute, or a 15-minute divergence, I would like to see up around this white line area here, which is, it's not too far off. It's, yeah, so really the next divergence signal that happens on those either 30-minute or 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1 hour, I will take a selling opportunity on this. And again, this is just this will just be a nice play to down to this range here, the bottom of this range. Okay, so maybe go a little bit further down to here. Stop loss will be above the highest high, which is here. I'll put my stop loss not above these highs because that's easily stopped hunt. I will put my stop above this high, so I know if price goes above here, the trade's not going to work. Okay, that's just solely based on the stochastic dashboard. So that's a nice trading opportunity on the Kiwi CAD for the session ahead. Another one. Okay, Kiwi Japanese Yen. Let's have a look at the stochastic dashboard. Okay, Kiwi Japanese Yen, Euro Japanese Yen. Let's have a look at Kiwi dash Kiwi. Okay. again, that's what I'm saying. I'm looking to enter this trade at this area here. Not too far off it. So the next divergence signal on this base of the dashboard, 1 hour, 30-minute, or a 50-minute divergence will be a nice trading opportunity on the Kiwi CAD. Okay, so just above that line there. Look at the 4 hour, the daily. We're not too far off it. Okay, up around 67,500 area. So that's a trade on the Kiwi CAD that could possibly occur today. And that's kind of the two ones that I'm going to give you free today. Two nice trades. So if you look at you download the free indicator, the MACD divergence indicator, simply download it, wait for the the divergence signal on the 15-minute, 1 hour, or 30-minute charts, and then just simply enter the trade, put your stop above the highest high, and target what I showed you in this video here. Okay, so that's two nice setups for today. You can see that the dashboard is flashing red across a lot of assets, so there is a lot of other trading opportunities that will be occurring today. And if you have the dashboard and you're watching this, you will see that there is a lot of opportunities. Okay, and I'll give you two of the best, but there is a lot there. What I've been looking at the chart here, there is another whole load of assets that are lining up to be a really good US session today. So if you want to access the Default Pro dashboard, you can simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. And yeah, let me know how you're doing those two trades. And I shall see you on the next video.